So this is my new palace, and it is a palace. We call it the cabana. It's a tiny little tiny house with only really a bed and a nightstand. And I'm in the midst of cleaning it, and which hasn't happened for a long time. And I don't know what got on these windows. Something at some point has made them, I don't know, like etched with some kind of mineral deposit. I'm giving this place a major cleaning, and I'm going to be covering some holes that I've found, and I'm going to try to sleep here tonight. I'm not sure if I'll get enough done before nightfall, but I am within earshot of our 40-foot waterfall, and I can't quite believe how blessed and lucky I am. But this is what I signed up for, and I'll show you the waterfall at some point soon.